What if the air around you could become your most reliable source of drinking water? In many parts of the world, clean water still feels like a luxury. Families travel miles, store water for emergencies, and constantly worry about shortages during droughts or power outages. But a new solution is changing the conversation, and it's called Aqua Tower. Today, we're breaking down how this technology works, why it's gaining attention, and how it could reshape the future of water access. The big problem we don't talk about enough: we often assume clean water will always be available. Turn the tap, fill a glass, move on with the day. But for millions of families, access to safe drinking water isn't guaranteed. Droughts, natural disasters, infrastructure failures, and pollution can disrupt supply overnight. That's where the Aqua Tower steps in, not as a luxury gadget, but as a practical, sustainable backup system designed to generate water from the air around us. Yes, from the air. How this system turns it into drinking water at its core. The Aqua Tower uses atmospheric water generation, a process that extracts moisture from humidity and converts it into clean, drinkable water. Here's how it works in simple terms. The system pulls in the air from the environment. It cools the air to collect moisture. That moisture condenses into water. The water passes through advanced filtration and mineralization. Fresh drinking water is produced and ready to use. All of this happens quietly in the background. No complicated setup. No technical expertise required. Just plug it in, and it begins producing water. Why people are paying attention? For families like John and Emily, the Aqua Tower isn't just technology, it's peace of mind. Instead of worrying about water shortages during droughts or outages, they now have a consistent backup supply right at home. And this impact goes beyond individual households. When communities adopt solutions like this, something bigger happens. Neighborhoods become more resilient, emergency preparedness improves, awareness about water conservation grows, sustainability becomes part of everyday life. It turns a personal solution into a community movement. Designed for real life, one of the most impressive parts of this is its practical design. It's compact enough for apartments, powerful enough for family homes, flexible enough for rural and urban setups. Imagine a family facing a long dry season. Instead of relying on distant water sources, they have a steady supply generated right inside their home. That shift changes everything, from daily routines to long-term security. Smart features that make life easier. The Aqua Tower is designed to be simple and user-friendly. Setup is straightforward. Unbox the unit, place it in a suitable spot, connect the adapter, turn it on. From there, the system begins producing water automatically. A built-in smart monitoring system tracks filter performance and water quality, sending real-time updates so maintenance stays easy and predictable. In other words, clean water becomes routine. A bigger vision for the future. The Aqua Tower represents more than convenience, it represents a shift in how we think about water. Instead of depending entirely on external systems, households can take a step toward independence and sustainability. And as more people adopt solutions like this, the ripple effect grows. Healthier families, stronger communities, greater environmental awareness, one drop at a time. The Aqua Tower isn't just a machine that makes water. It's a glimpse into a future where clean water is reliable, accessible, and sustainable for everyone. And the question becomes, if the air around you could provide drinking water every day, would you use it?